Have you ever wondered who's behind the curtain of Oberlo, the popular e-commerce platform that's made dropshipping a breeze for countless entrepreneurs? Well, today we're diving deep into the ownership of Oberlo. Let's start by understanding what Oberlo actually is. It's a Shopify app that connects you to a vast network of suppliers, allowing you to sell products without holding any inventory. It's a game changer for those who want to start an online store without the hassle of managing physical products. The Shopify connection. Given that Oberlo is a Shopify app, it's natural to assume that Shopify itself might be the owner. After all, they're the dominant e-commerce platform. But is that really the case? The acquisition. The truth is, Oberlo used to be an independent company. However, in 2017, Shopify acquired Oberlo. This acquisition was a strategic move for Shopify, as it solidified their position in the e-commerce market and provided them with a powerful tool to attract more merchants to their platform. Oberlo's current status. So, now that Shopify owns Oberlo, what does that mean for the app and its users? Well, not much has changed in terms of the user experience. Oberlo continues to function as a standalone app within the Shopify ecosystem, offering the same features and benefits it always has. The benefits of Shopify's ownership. However, there are some advantages to Oberlo being owned by Shopify. Shopify has the resources and expertise to invest in Oberlo's development, ensuring that it remains a cutting-edge platform. Additionally, being part of the Shopify family means that Oberlo can leverage the broader Shopify ecosystem, providing its users with access to other valuable tools and services. The future of Oberlo. As for the future of Oberlo, it's likely that Shopify will continue to invest in and support the app. After all, Oberlo is a valuable asset that helps to drive growth for the Shopify platform. It's possible that we'll see even more features and integrations added to Oberlo in the years to come. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, who owns Oberlo? The answer is Shopify. The acquisition of Oberlo has been a strategic move for Shopify, and it's clear that they're committed to its continued success. If you're interested in starting your own online store using Oberlo, I encourage you to check out the Shopify website. There, you can learn more about Oberlo and how it can help you achieve your entrepreneurial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.